Right, question number 51. If a positive number k when multiplied by 30% of itself gives a number which is 170% more than the number k, then the number k is equal to. If a positive number k is multiplied by 30% of itself, that is 30 by 100 or 3 by 10, anything, 30% of itself, then the answer is 170% more, means that is 270 percentage, isn't it? 270 percentage of k. Therefore k is equal to 9, option 4. %170% more. Pie chart presenting the information about the percentage distribution of certain corporate office employees by their ages. What is the central angle corresponding to the age groups 38 plus to 48 years and 58 plus years? 38 plus 40 years and 30%, 58 years and 10%, total 40%. 40% of 360, 144, that is the central angle. 40% of 360 degrees. Next, what is the greatest 4-digit number, which one being divided by 6, 7, 8 leaves 4, 5 and 6, 6, 7 and 8 leaving 4, 5 and 6. In each case the difference is 2. So if the difference is same, we have to subtract this 2 from the LCM of that numbers. We have to subtract 2. But here he is asking for the greatest 4-digit number. We should not take the LCM. We have to take multiple, not least common multiple. We have to take a common multiple, which is a 4-digit number. So here, if 2 is subtracted from the common multiple, we will get the answer. Means that common multiple is 2 more than the original answer, isn't it? From common multiple, we have to subtract 2. Then we will get answer. So for getting the common multiple, we have to add 2, isn't it? We have to add 2 to the answer. Then it should be a multiple of 6, 7 and 8. So for example, if 2 is added to this, it will become 9923. That is not a multiple of 3. 9923 is not a multiple of 3. If we add 2, this is also not a multiple of 3. If add 2, this is not a multiple of 3. If add 2, this is a multiple of 3. As well as 8. Anni vastayandi. Okay? Right. That is the answer, option 4. We need not find out the multiple, common multiple for 6, 7 and 8. It is waste of time. Next. What is the ratio of the total sales from dealers ABC taken together for the year 2015 to the sales from dealers DEF 2016? ABC 460, 390, 850 plus 200, 1050 and 1050. DEF, this is 1400 plus 450, 1850, zeros are cancelled, 5 21 times, 5 3 times, 5 7 times, 21 is to 37. 21 is to 37. Next. A railway engine passes 2 bridges of length 400 meter, 235 meter in 100 seconds and 60 seconds respectively. Twice the length of the railway engine is అని అడిగాడు. ఇక్కడ while crossing the bridge, what is the distance travelled by the train? length of the bridge plus length of the engine also. So here two cases are there. For crossing 400 meter, same engine is crossing 235 meter bridge also. For that, here it is taking 100 seconds, here it is taking 60 seconds. For a difference of 165 meter, it is taking 40 seconds less, isn't it? So the train can cross this 165 meter in 40 seconds, isn't it? So here for crossing 165 meters, it is taking 40 seconds. For in 100 seconds, it can travel, it can cross how many meter, how much distance? 40 plus 40 plus 20 వేసుకోవచ్చా? 165 plus 165 330 plus 82.5, అవునండి, 82.5 means 412.5. means in 100 seconds it can travel 412.5 kilometer, 412.5 meter, in which 400 meter is the length of the bridge. Therefore 12.5 meter is the length of the engine, therefore twice the length is nothing but 25, option 4. 60 meter difference, 60 seconds difference ఉందండి, 165 meter difference ఉందండి. 100 secondsలో ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ వెళ్ళగలదు? 412.5, దాంట్లో 400 బ్రిడ్జ్ది కాబట్టి 12.5 ఇంజిన్ది, అంతే. అదే కేసు దీనికి తీసుకున్నా సేమ్ ఆన్సరే వస్తుంది. A river 6 meter deep and 35 meter wide is flowing at the rate of 2.5 kmph. The amount of water that runs into the sea per minute is అని అడిగాడు. సో చెప్పాను లాస్ట్ టైము, ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చూడాలంటే ఆ రివర్ వచ్చే ఓపెనింగ్ ఎలా ఉందో చూడాలండి. ఇక్కడ మీరు అర్థం చేసుకోవాల్సింది ఏంటంటే దిస్ ఈజ్ ఓపెనింగ్, ద రివర్ ఈజ్ ఫ్లోయింగ్ త్రూ అన్ ఓపెనింగ్. ద డెప్త్ ఆఫ్ ద రివర్ ఇదనుకోండి అండ్ ద విడ్త్ ఆఫ్ ద రివర్ ఇదనుకుంటే మనకి ఎంత వాటర్ వెళ్తుంది అంటే ఏం చెప్పాం? ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ద క్రాస్ సెక్షన్ ఇంటూ స్పీడ్ ఆఫ్ ద వాటర్. ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ద క్రాస్ సెక్షన్ అంటే 6 meter ఇంటూ 35 meter. This is 6, that is 35. It is in the shape of a rectangle, isn't it? The opening is in the shape of a rectangle. Therefore, the area is 6 meter into 35 meter. That is into 2.5 kmph. So, it should be converted as meter per second. So, here we have to find out the rate per minute, not per second. So, into 60 andi, into 60. We will get the answer. 6 3 times, 3 20 times. ఓకే అండి, ఇది ఎంత అవుతుందండి? 50 అవుతుంది. అది 55s, 250 into 35, 250 into 35, 0 35 5s, 175, 35 to 70, 8750 is the final answer, option 4. Otherwise you can check for 7 multiple also. 7 multiple also. Next, I have already explained how to solve these type of questions. There is a simple formula for finding ABC. A is equal to coefficient of A by 2 into coefficient of A square. B is equal to coefficient of B by 2 into coefficient of B square. C is equal to coefficient of C by coefficient 2 into coefficient of C square. 7 8s are 7 7s are 2 4s are minus 4 by 7. Then find A minus B minus C. That is minus 2 plus 4. minus 2 ఎంతండి? సారీ, -1 plus 4. Yes. So answer is plus 2. A is -1, B is 1, C is -4 by 7. The sides of AB and AC of the sides AB and AC of a triangle ABC are produced to points D and E. A, B, C, D and E. CBD, angle CBD, angle BCE. Angle bisectors meet at a point P. This point is called X center. Angle at X center is 90 minus theta by 2. 90 minus theta, here theta is given as 88. So 90 minus theta by 2. So answer is 46. Joseph deposited a total of 52,500 in a bank in the names of his two daughters aged 15 years and 16 years in such a way that they would get equal amounts when they become 18 years old. If the bank gives 10% compound interest compounded annually, then what is the amount that Joseph had deposited in the name of young daughter? ఇప్పుడు యంగ్ డాటర్కి 15 ఇయర్స్ కదా, వాళ్ళకి ఎంత ఏజ్ రావాలి అంటే 3 ఇయర్స్ డిపాజిట్ చేయాలి. ఎల్డర్ డాటర్కి 2 ఇయర్స్ డిపాజిట్ చేయాలండి. సేమ్ రేట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ కదండి. సో యంగర్ డాటర్ ఇంటూ 3 ఇయర్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎల్డర్ డాటర్ ఇంటూ 2 ఇయర్స్. ఈ లోపల ఉన్నది ఏంటి? 1 + R/100. 1 + R/100 జనరల్గా మీకు చెప్పడానికి. సో ఈ 2 టైమ్స్ ఇది 1 టైం క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుందా? దెన్ y/e ఎంత అవుతుందండి? యాక్చువల్గా దిస్ ఈజ్ 11/10. అటువైపుకి వెళ్తే 10/11. దేర్ ఫోర్ ద పార్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ యంగర్ అండ్ ఎల్డర్ ఆర్ ఇన్ ద రేషియో 10:11. సో ఆబ్వియస్లీ so we have to find out 10 parts out of 21 parts. 10 parts out of 21 parts. 21 parts చేస్తే ఎంత అండి? 21 2s 42, 105, 21 5 times అంటే 2500 is each part. then 10 parts ఎంత అవుతుందండి? 25,000. amounts should be equal. Next, the cost price of two articles A and B are in the ratio 4:5. While selling these articles, the shopkeeper gains 10% on article A and 20% on article B, and the difference in their selling prices is 480. Find the 30% of the total cost price of both the articles. He is asking for 30% of total price of articles. 9 parts andi. So our answer should be a 9 multiple. How many 9 multiples are there? 2 9 multiples are there. Okay. So here let us consider 30%, 40%, 40. Let us consider the first cost price is 40 and this is 50. 10% profit means 44 rupees. 20% profit means 60 rupees. Difference is 16 rupees. That difference is nothing but 480. 16 parts 480. Each part 30. So this will become 40 into 30. He is asking for total cost price kadandi. Total cost price is 90, isn't it? 90 into 30 into 30/100, because we have to find only 30% of the total value. So answer will be 9 9s are. Next, 2√2x cube minus 3√3y cube is equal to √2x minus √3y, ax square minus bxy plus cy square. It is in the form a cube minus b cube is equal to a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. That is the rule. Here we can write it as √2x whole cube, √3y whole cube, isn't it? Then it should be √2x minus √3y into √2x whole square will give 2x square, √2 into √3, √6xy plus √3y whole square, 3y square. So if you compare, a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus √6, c is equal to 3. Substitute these values here. We will get √4 plus 6 plus 9. 19. Option 3. Very, very important question for CGL examination. Next. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to 7 cm, BC 10 cm, AC 8 cm. ABC 7, 10, 8. AD is the angle bisector. We know the rule AB by AC equal to BD by DC, where D is find DC by 4. Actually, this length will be separated in the ratio 7:8. So therefore DC is nothing but 8 parts out of 15 parts into 10. ఎడుగు పోయింది ఇది 50 ఎంత అండి అది right, 8 parts out of 15 parts into 10. This will be the value of DC. We have to find divided by 4. Divided by 4. DC by 4. 4 cancels 2 times. 5 2 times. 5 3 times. 4 by 3 should be the answer. నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసింది క్వశ్చన్. ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ ఏం చేయాలండి సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ ఏ వాల్యూ ఫర్ థీటా. దట్ ఈస్ యువర్ విష్. బెటర్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ 45. దిస్ విల్ బికమ్ 1 + 1 + 2 + 1. cos 45 is 1/√2 whole power 6 ఎంత అండి 8 8 8 1/8 1/8 -1, that is 1/4 -1, that is -3/4 into 4 + 1 -2. Option 3. If the options are numerical values, substitute a value for theta, that's all. Already చాలా చేసాం. The value of 2 minus cot theta plus cos theta by cot theta minus cos theta. Here also you can substitute a value, but it is better to solve directly. 2 minus, actually cot theta can be written as cos by sin plus cos. Common ఏంటండి cos. కిందన కామన్ ఏంటి అగైన్ cos, cancelled. ఇంకా మిగిలింది ఏంటి 1 by sin plus 1 by 1 by sin -1. So again sin is cancelled. Isn't it? 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. Rationalize, process of rationalization. Plus sin theta 1 plus sin theta. What is this? 1 minus sin square, nothing but cos square. Square root of cos square, cos. This is 1 plus sin theta whole square. Square root of whole square will give 1 plus sin theta. This will become secant theta plus tan theta. Minus ఉంది కాబట్టి minus secant theta minus tan theta. Option 1. ఇదిగోండి అంత ఆశ్చర్యం ఉంది దాంట్లో. సీకెంట్ ప్లస్ ట్యాన్, దాని ముందు ఏమో బ్రాకెట్ ఉండి మైనస్ ఉండి ఇలా ఉంది. మైనస్ సీకెంట్ థీటా మైనస్ ట్యాన్ థీటా. ఇవి డైరెక్ట్గా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సిన పాయింట్స్ అండి ఇవి. రూట్ ఆఫ్ 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta, root over 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta, root over 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta, root over 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. For example, here plus is there, So secant plus tan. If minus is in numerator, secant minus tan. In case of cos, cosecant plus cot. Same rule. Nine digit number divisible by 72, 8 and 9, 8, 4, 32, 6, 4. Antena y. Y should be 4, 10, 18, 24, 35, 39. So x should be 6, isn't it? X should be 6, y is 4. 6 4s are 24 plus 12, 36, square root of 36, 6. Exports of cars of type A and type B during 2014 to 2018 in millions. In which year exports of cars of type A is 20 million less than or more than the average exports of cars of type B. Here type B, 225, 225, 225, 250, 200, 275, 225, 500, 500, 275, 325, 600, 1100, plus 250, 1350, 1350 by 5, average is 270. అంతేనండి, యావరేజ్ ఈజ్ 270. ఎక్కడైనా తప్పేసామో ఒకసారి చూడాలి. అవునండి, 270 కదా యావరేజ్. టోటల్ సరిపోయిందా 1350? ఏంటండి నేను తప్పు చేశానా? 225, 250, 475, 475 ఇది తీసుకోవాలి. 475, 675, 675, 950, 950, 1275, 1275 by 5, 255, 255. So here we have to find out a value which is either 20 million less or 20 million more. 255, 20 more ante 275 or 20 less ante 235. Where is it? In 2017, 275. Option 4. ఏంటండి? A is 20 less than type of B. అచ్చా. సో మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాల్సింది ఏలో ఎక్కడుంది అది? 2016. ఎస్. A poster is on top of building. A person is standing on the ground at a distance of 50 meters from the building. The angles of elevation to the top of the poster and bottom of the poster are 45 degrees and 30 degrees respectively. What is 200% of the height of the poster? ఒక బిల్డింగ్, దాని మీద పోస్టర్ అంటే పొడవుగా ఉంది పోస్టర్. ఏమండి, మనం ఎక్కడి నుంచి చూడాలి? కింద నుంచి చూడాలి. నేను తలకిందులుగా వేస్తుందండి. లెట్ us consider this is building, this is poster. ఓకే, మనం ఎక్కడి నుంచి చూడాలి? అక్కడి నుంచి చూడాలి. మార్చాను అంతే ఫిగర్ని. సో యాక్చువల్లీ ఇఫ్ వీఆర్ అబ్జర్వింగ్ ద టాప్ అండ్ బాటమ్ ఆఫ్ ద పోస్టర్, ద యాంగిల్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎలివేషన్ ఆర్ 30 degrees and 45 degrees. We are observing at a distance of 50 meters from the building. Understood or not? మీరుగా లేదంటే ఈ కుర్చీ ఎక్కి. Now if it is 30, this should be 60. If it is 45, this should be 45. Here he is asking for the height of the poster, isn't it? Height of the poster. ఇలా చెప్పచ్చండి లేదా? సరే, ఇలా ఉంది సేమ్, మళ్ళీ సేమ్. ఇప్పుడు నార్మల్ పొజిషన్కి వచ్చేసాం. ఇప్పుడు ఇలా తిరగక్కర్లేదు. 50, 30, 45. If it is 45, obviously this total will be 50, isn't it? 50. If it is 30, if you apply tan 30 here, this will be 50 by root 3. 50 by root 3. Then what is this distance? 50 minus 50 by root 3. 50 into 1 minus 1 by root 3. ఏముందండి 50 తోటి? ఆప్షన్ 1. 200% డబుల్ అంటే 100 ఇంటూ ఆప్షన్ 2. క్వశ్చన్లో ఏదో ఒకటి లాజిక్ పెడుతున్నాడు, అక్కడ ఏ ఇక్కడ 2. 100 ఇంటూ 1 మైనస్ 1 బై రూట్ 3. ఇది సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే ఇదే వస్తుందండి, 1 మైనస్ 1 బై రూట్ 3 వస్తుంది. అది సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే 3 బై 3 1, రూట్ 3 బై 3 1 బై రూట్ 3. The ratio of the profits of P and Q is 5:8. What is their investment ratio? If their investment time period is 3:5. If profit is divided by time, we will get the investment ratio. So 5 by 3, 8 by 5, 25, 24. That's all. Option 4. If investment is multiplied by time, then we will get a profit. Therefore, if profit is divided by time, we will get investment. That's all. A shopkeeper announces a discount of 40% and then by a further discount of 15%. What is the final sale price of a sofa costing 29,600? What is the discount అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. Final, he is asking for final selling price as well as discount. So actually an article is labeled as 29,600. We have to find out the selling price and discount. Sum of selling price and discount will give labeled price, market price. So here the total of these two will not give 29,600. The total of these two will not give 29,600. The total of these two will give 29,600. The total of these two will give 29,600. In which here the discounts are 40 and 15. What is single discount equivalent to 40 and 15? 40 plus 15 minus 40 into 15 by 100. 49% discount. Means our selling price is 51%, isn't it? Selling price 51%, discount is 49%. So selling price must be a multiple of 17 and 3. If you observe the selling prices 1, 5, this is a multiple of 3. This is not a multiple of 3. Option 4 is the correct answer. పోయింది, గొడవ లేదు. ఎంతండి? 69. ఓకేనా? ఆప్షన్ 4. The average of 8 consecutive odd numbers is 28. The sum of the smallest and largest number is. కాన్సిక్యూటివ్ నెంబర్స్కి యావరేజ్ అంటే ఏంటండి? మిడిల్ నంబర్. బట్ హియర్ 8 numbers are there. We cannot get exact middle value. So that will be the average of 2 values, isn't it? So obviously if there are 8 odd numbers, so the answer will be between these two. So if it is 28, obviously this should be 27 and 29, isn't it? Then this should be 25, 23, 21, 31, 33, 35. So what is the smallest and sum of the smallest and largest? Option 2. Next. ఇదేనా సరిగ్గా చేద్దాం. డ్యూరింగ్ విచ్ అవర్ ఈజ్ ద నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ కార్స్ పాస్డ్ మోర్ దెన్ ద యావరేజ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ కార్స్ పాస్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ 6 to 11. ఎన్ని కార్స్? 70, 105, 175, 305, 420, 420, 515. 515 cars, average is 103. So, during which hours it is more than the average? So, in 7 to 8, in 8 to 9, in 9 to 10. Answer is option 1. It is more than 103. Six point 3 by 7, 0.9, 15 plus 0.9, minus 3.9, minus 2, minus 3, minus 2, minus 5, answer is plus 10. ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్ రావాలి అంటే కొబ్బరికాయ కొట్టి వెళ్ళాలి. హాల్ టికెట్ ఏమో దేవుడి దగ్గర పాదాల దగ్గర పెట్టి దాని మీద కొంచెం విభూది వేసేసి పువ్వులు వేసేసి విభూది వేసేసి హారతి ఇచ్చేద్దాం, అప్పుడు వస్తుంది ఈ క్వశ్చన్. మీ ఇష్ట దైవానికి కాళ్ళ దగ్గర హాల్ టికెట్ మాత్రం పెట్టడం మర్చిపో ప్లీజ్. A can complete work in 25 days, B can complete the same work in 20 days. They started the work together, but B left after 4 days and A continued to work. In how many days will the entire work be completed? Actually, let us consider the total work is 100. Efficiency of A is 4, efficiency of B is 5. Both started working. So 9 units into 4 days, 36 units completed. Now B left. So remaining 64 units are to be done by A. So 16 days. Here 16 days, 4 days, total 20 days. Here entire work, not remaining work. AB is a chord of a circle with center O, while PAQ is a tangent at A. A circle O. AB is a chord. PAQ is a tangent. అదిగోండి అది దాంట్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోయింది కానీ tangent అని అనుకోండి, ఏం చేద్దాం, అదిగో tangent. PAQ. Now BAQ is 70 degrees. So this angle is made by the tangent with a chord. So this angle will be equal to the angle here. Alternate segment theorem. If it is 70, here we have to consider another point R. He is asking for ARB, which is 110 degrees. That is a cyclic quadrilateral. Let us consider this as C. CARB is a cyclic quadrilateral in which one of the angles is 70, the opposite angle will be 110. Option 4. The circumference of the base of a right circular cylinder is 132 centimeter and its volume is 24948 centimeter cube. What is the curved surface area of the cylinder అని అడిగాడు. ఇక్కడ pi is equal to 3.14. Actually it is given as 3.14, but in this question he has not considered 3.14. He directly considered only pi 22/7 only. So if you consider 3.14, we will not get any answer here. So therefore, let us consider pi is equal to 22/7 only. So obviously our answer should be, for finding the in curved surface area, the answer must be 11 multiple. 11 multiple 1, 2, 3. కొబ్బరికాయ కొట్టకపోతే ఇలాగే ఉంటుంది, అర్థమవుతుందా? 1, 2, 3, 4. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? తూర్పు తిరిగి అన్నమాట. సర్కంఫరెన్స్ ఇచ్చాడు కదండి, సర్కంఫరెన్స్ ఈజ్ 2πr. 2πr is equal to 132. That is 2 into 22/7 into r is equal to 132. Okay. Obviously 44 3 times r equal to 21. If r is 21, so In finding curved surface area, what is the formula? 2 pi RH. So here we checked for 11 multiple but not successful, but we have to check for 7 multiple, 3 multiple as well as 7 multiple వేయడానికి ఇక్కడ 7 క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది చూడండి, అవునా? 7 cancels 21 for 3 times. So it cannot be a 7 multiple, it must be a 3 multiple. ఉందా? 3 multiple. ఇది కాదు 6, ఇది 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 అదే కాదు, ఇది ఇదే, ఇది ఇది 13, 5, 18. నా హెచ్ ఎంత అవుతుందో చూడాలండి ఈసారి, అవును కదా? హెచ్ ఎంత అవుతుందండి? వాల్యూమ్ ఈజ్ గివెన్ 24948 ఇంటూ, సారీ, దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ పై ఆర్ స్క్వేర్ హెచ్ కదా, పై ఆర్ స్క్వేర్ హెచ్ 3 times అండి. ఓకే, ఏదో అంతే. ఇది 11 multiple, ఇది 11 multiple అండి. 1 time, 1 time, 3 times, 4 times. అండి 21, 5 times, 4 times, 18 times అండి. సో 9 multiple అవ్వాలా? హెచ్ వాల్యూ 18 అయితే, సో ఇట్ షుడ్ బి 9 multiple. రెండును అంటే ఇంక మమ్మల్ని ఇలా ఉంచనివ్వా? సరే, 2 pi r అంటే దట్ ఈస్ 132. ఆల్రెడీ వీ నో దట్ 2 pi r ఈజ్ 132 ఇంటూ హెచ్ ఈస్ 18. లాస్ట్లో 6 వచ్చిందండి, వదలనమాట. దట్స్ ఆల్.